Hey guys, hope everybody's doing alright tonight. I'm going to take and make a little comfort food tonight. And it's P.O.P. It's potatoes, onions, and pork, which is the sausage. Going to take and fry them up. I'm going to use two different pans. I'm going to use my 8 square skillet, and then I'm going to use my really old Arc Logo Lodge number 9. This thing is smooth. So we'll get it started. Alright guys, we got both of them going now. We got the sausage and some of the onions in this one, and in this one we have potatoes and some of the onions in the bottom of it. So all we can do now is just wait until they get cooked. Alright guys, the sausage and the onions were nearly done, so I went ahead and mixed it in with here and just drug everything out of this, and nothing stuck at all to it. So we'll just wait on the potatoes. Everything should be really good. Alright guys, I got the sausage mixed in with the potatoes and the onions all together. Now I'm putting the lid on it just to take and let it steam up and mix the juices from the pork and the sausage and the onions and the potatoes all together, and it'll come back down and keep it nice and moist while it's cooking. Should not be too much longer and should be ready to go. Alright guys, there she is. It's all done. I put a little bit of cheese on there so it can take and melt in. But everything's cooked. The potatoes are nice. Everything's cooked down good. Hope everybody has a great night.